Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Today's subject is color. Men and women have altered their hair color for thousands of years, and barbers have been a part of that process. Sometimes it is a little challenging, but the end result can be magnificent. Hair coloring is the art and science of changing the color of the hair. Hair lightening is the partial or total removal of natural pigment or artificial color from the hair. Did you know there are laws of color? The laws of color regulate the mixing of dyes and pigments to make other colors. For example, equal parts of red and blue mixed together always make violet. Hair coloring products are categorized as non-oxidative and oxidative. The non-oxidizing hair color products are temporary hair color, washes out with one shampoo. Semi-permanent hair color, washes out or fades within a few weeks. The oxidizing hair color products are demi-permanent hair color, lasts longer than a semi-permanent, but not as long as a permanent hair color. Permanent hair color, stays in the hair until the hair grows out. Last thing I want to talk about are gray hair challenges. Gray, white, or salt and pepper hair shades have characteristics that can present unique color challenges. Since most people retain some dark hair as they turn gray, the hair must be analyzed for level, hue, and percentage of gray before the appropriate product selection can be made. If you like this video, please make sure that you like and share it. You can find us on Facebook and TikTok at Howard Brown Online Barber College. You can visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. We'll see you next time.